Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the reference window ready. Open your project and immediately enable reference window from the layer or tool menu. Make sure the reference panel is visible on screen and not hidden behind toolbars. Next, pick the image source, canvas, gallery, or camera, because that determines how updates behave. Canvas will mirror your work while gallery stays static. Once done, dock the window where it won't obstruct your main canvas, and confirm opacity and size controls are accessible for quick tweaks. Once the reference window is visible, adjust opacity and size so it doesn't block your workflow. Lower opacity for overlapping areas and increase when checking details. Make sure you set position, corner, or floating so it's easy to glance at. If you need live updates, toggle auto update or sync with Canvas. This ensures your reference reflects edits. Use pinch to zoom and pan inside the reference to match scale and orientation, and lock rotation if you want stable comparison while you draw. You're finishing by locking position and confirming the reference works across layers. Switch layers while watching the reference to ensure consistent behavior. If the window disappears or won't update, first toggle reference window off and on, then reset the UI layout from settings. That often restores it. If it still fails, re-import the reference image or restart the app. As a last resort, reinstalling can clear persistent bugs, but try the simpler resets first to avoid losing preferences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.